I just went ahead, since I had the adhesion promoter included, and just hit all the areas the tape is gonna go, as well as this area where they provided you some of the clear 3M sticky tape to seal the unused holes to keep from water getting in your trunk. Okay, so the tape just rubs right off with your thumb. Just keep rubbing. Put some adhesive cleaner on it. Let it sit for a couple minutes. Wipe every little bit of residue off with a rag. And on to the next step. Taping it off for removal. With those zip ties, I guess since they're going all the way through, you can only take your fishing line or floss or whatever through the sides to where that fastener is at. And then I guess I'll just start prying up to get the fishing line under the rest of them in the center. Seems like it's gonna be kind of a bitch. Okay, so after you remove the trim, you're gonna have to get these plastic locks off the zip tie pieces that are up in there, hanging from the existing carbon fiber spoiler. It's a little bit different than the fasteners on the other one. So you'll want to get some type of light, preferably a magnetic light. That way you can put it in some of these bigger slots, and you'll use the other openings to fit your arm and your tools in there to basically, especially on this one way over here, get these long pliers in that hole up there where you need to go to the pin, clamp the pin, and with your other hand take a real thin screwdriver to pull the tab away so that you can pull with the other tool the lock off of the tie there. It's basically like a zip tie. Okay, quick tool tips video on installing the spoiler. You'll see up there where where we have the new fastener. Let me put this light in here. Right up there to the left, you'll have one in the same spot over here to the right. Right up in there. Sorry, it's just been one of those days, just bear with me. And then in these little plugs, one there and one here. I will say that I do not like that these are number 3 Phillips heads, especially when you don't have a lot of room. So you have to do like a short nut driver and put a number 3 bit in there, otherwise you're going to strip the screws. A pair of those long needle nose pliers to pry the clips off along with this. So you'll have to stick both your hands up in there to do that. And that's about it. But I was not happy that this wasn't just like a socket head or even an Allen key. It does come with a lock washer, but it's just a Phillips head screw. And I'm just not a fan of those. Easy to screw up, easy to strip, and you don't have replacements, obviously. So that's one ding dong that I guess I'd say that I did not like about this install. Other than that, I'm happy. I got to pop all of the trim back on there. This is a horrible place to take a video, but I have a lot of stuff going on, and storms are rolling in and stuff. So I'm just taking this real quick to post it up, and I'll do a better one tomorrow or a different day later this week.